Welcome to this overview of the Learning Event Game Plan, a strategic development toolkit designed and developed by Flying Cloud Solutions. This toolkit provides a strategic methodology for planning a professional development event that assists with brainstorming the event or events from a macro organizational level to the micro tasks and results levels, assuring connection between the organization's mission, vision, and values to every element of event planning, production, and post-production to maximize knowledge transfer and return on investment. Using the whiteboard, group dialogue can guide the planning efforts in a way that maintains constant connection between elements. The entries for the whiteboard translate into this printable workbook for further development and dissemination among stakeholders. The toolkit integrates a variety of theories, methodologies, and strategies that are referenced and explained further in the appendix of this document. Let's take a quick look through this tool and how it is used. The goal is to work as a team to develop a strategic plan for a training event, no matter what type or format. Teamwork and conversation is guided through the interacting with the first page of this interactive PDF. The whiteboard is a space that provides an outline starting from the upper left, working down to the bottom right. However, having all elements on a single page allows the conversation to fill in various aspects as they are encountered in conversation, and to always have visible each element as a reminder of each's importance and impact on the whole. Broadly, this worksheet begins by defining the organization and its values, which inform the organization's mission on the left and the vision on the right. In between is the event itself, where the group must define objectives, key results, followed by the methods of assessing these results at each level of Kirkpatrick's evaluation model. The event plan next takes a design thinking approach, placing the audience first, then working through available assets, inspirations, and finally outlining the production plan and participant journey. The goal is to lead toward the vision and what participants should next encounter with the organization, assisting with cross-promotional and audience journey efforts. To the left, there are also two spaces to list risks and gaps that often come up within conversation, so that they remain visible to assure that risks are mitigated and gaps are addressed in planning. Once this whiteboard is filled out, the entries translate immediately into a workbook that can be printed or shared as a format that can help guide further conversations among stakeholders. This is a constantly evolving toolkit for strategically thinking of your learning events, and we encourage any feedback that you may have regarding its use. To gain that feedback, we encourage you to fill out the survey linked alongside this video. Also, should you wish for a more guided use of this toolkit, feel free to reach out to us at Flying Cloud Solutions, and we would be happy to assist you in conducting a more formal meeting.